update 9.5. I'm really sick right now. And they deleted this thing from the inventory. Now you gotta get it in the shop. Just great. I like this one. Just added a new trade. Literally got a lot of. This game's been updated. It's literally 9.5. Only added one train. Damn, I wish I'm thirsty. This is the train. This is so beautiful. But somehow, but I'm lagging. But this is like a long damn train. I knew it. If you wonder where they're at, here's it. The additives. SR sound train. I wonder what this train's gonna be. Oh, this game is literally Sunday right now. See? Sunday, and I already added this update. Great! Now I can have more fun with this game. Look at this bad boy right here. Okay, let's see the change log. Okay, this is 9.5. Fix firework and lightning bomb bypass issue. I don't know. SFX for firework launch. Like if you join, there's no extension. It's literally on the shop. So yeah, I don't like it. I don't want it. Had they fixed it in this mobile? Does this work now? Yeah, firework used to be buggy. New sound. A great sound to do it. A new damn sound. What's not working? This train is very invisible. Oh, what about this? It's not working. Gone. Great, gone. Any new cars? No. But I don't have a fire. I don't like that one. It's pretty bouncy. I lost my firework. Wait, the UI kind of looks different. No new. Wait, I want a go train. Where is it? No, I want it. And I want this one. 53,000 points. I have 100,000 points. I don't need more points than you, boy. That's kitchens here. I'll turn off that light. Oh, there's a secret to turn off the light. Just click it. Or the PC, just click it. They added here again. Well, thank you, developers. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. beginner. Ah! Get this. Why does it not work on mobile? Though try to do it. Why does it work on mobile? This only works on this one. And go. I hate this. I hate this. Hannah. Wow, it literally just killed me. I like how they deleted this thing to her in the train testing in the inventory. So yeah, I don't like that. I like that because I don't like it. I will not do that. Why this thing looks so ugly? Ugly. Speed gloves. We have a knife and a bomb. Yeah, it feels like the old versions when there's no this. Yeah, you're so annoying. No, you're not. No, you're not. And this is the icon. I'm really sick right now. Okay. This is the icon. Look at this bad boy. Our players are. Look at this. Look at that. You're trained, dude. I guess this game updates every time.